Alright guys, so we've arrived at Bastrop, Texas, that is. You can see we're here at the gas station. The movie scene in the 70s version, original version of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And it all looks original, guys. This is pretty awesome. You got the little can there that the guy's sitting on when he gets up to wipe the windshield on the van. And of course the famous sign, Coca-Cola barbecue, we slaughter barbecue. Everything is all original, guys. This is pretty awesome. The only thing is that the gas pumps ain't out here anymore, but I don't know if we can film inside, but if we can, then we'll get some footage for you guys. Until then, we're gonna get inside and see what they got to offer as far as barbecue, and we'll see you in a bit, guys. They actually have the van that they used in the 70s movie also, which I thought was pretty cool and I wanted to share with you guys.
Jennifer has to pee.
It's pretty awesome. So yeah guys, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the vlog. This is gonna be our last stop, and we're gonna be headed back to our hometown. But guys, this is freaking amazing. Like, we had such a good time on this road trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the road trip as well. We did this for you guys, and so again, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you won't miss any more videos. And again guys, we don't know if we can film inside, but we will try to if we get the permission to do so. Otherwise, we'll end the vlog here in a little bit.